For this instruction, we're going to learn how to use the library catalog. To begin your search, you're going to go to the LSCO library homepage by typing in library.lsco.edu. Under the title Find Books and DVDs, there is a list of links. Click the first link titled Library Catalog, Books, DVDs, and CDs. After clicking the link, you will arrive at the catalog search page. On this page, you will perform your catalog search. You can search by keyword, browse, or by an exact title or word search. For today's instruction, we will use the keyword search Lovecraft. Type the word Lovecraft into the search bar. Now click the search button. This page displays all the results of your search. In total, 9 titles were found as a result of our search. To view a search result, select the title link, which is in green. After clicking the link, you will come to the record for that item. This page gives you all the item information for the source, including the title, the author, the publisher, the publication date, as well as other item information. This information is most useful when you are doing the citations for your reference and your works cited pages. At the bottom of the record, you will find a green bar labeled Holdings. Holdings gives you information that will help you find the source in the library at LSCO. The first box under Holdings says Ronnie Lewis Library and is followed by a call number. This tells you the item is owned by our library, and the call number tells you where in our library to find it. Copies tells you how many copies of the source we own. Material is the type of source it is. It could be a physical book, an ebook, DVD, or other type of material housed within the actual library. Location tells you what area in the library to find the source. It could be in the stacks, reference, careers, fun reads, or the reserves. That is all you need to know to do a basic search in the LSCO library catalog. If you have any questions, please contact the library either online or in person. Happy researching!